minutes late, but there was a ton of people online, so I was feeling the burn, and I had to get my.
We hear you, brother. We hear you.
So hopefully, the thing is, if a lot of people vote, then it should go for burn.
Like, moves your hand out of the way and starts doing it for you. That's what he does.
Is that recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I love when you get a little drunk. Keep drinking.
So welcome to our first open mic outdoors for this year. I love it being outside here at Bank Square. It's such a conducive place to play music.
Oh no, the best was like there's like a out of nowhere thunderstorm, like all of a sudden dark skies and then boom, 2 minutes, and everything was out here. You're like, oh shit, that sucks.
Everyone's trying to help you. It's just pointing and laughing.
No, everyone's freaking old shit. And he was stuck in with all this garbage. I did it out my ass off.
So Larry, how many people are on the list now?
I hate him.
Still 8?
So he records everybody. Their visual stuff
8.
too. Then he puts on his website to advertise himself.
So we'll do 4 as it sits right now.
She taught 6th grade, right? First grade, yeah, they have her.
So this is called The Continuing Saga of Yellow Curl.
The continuing saga.
I've been going with a girl who said her name was Yellow Curl. Said she keeps her eyes out for other men.
Oh my god, what's the guy doing reading outside?
I caught her act in a show maybe about a year ago. Said she keeps her eyes out for other men. Yellow curl, yellow curl, I could give you this whole wide world.
Oh, I thought it was
disgusting.
Keep your eyes out just for me.
Try to make it hold in one piece.
I'm gonna hold it one piece.
One last night and one today. I don't know how much longer I can take it this way. I want you. Keep your eyes out just for me. I can't take you fooling around. You're going out gallivanting this whole downtown. Why don't you keep your eyes out just for me? I want you to keep your eyes out just for me.
Set him up with my stepbrother. But he's been sneaking out to so he's drunk and then he gets high. And his body stops functioning.
I can dress
the shit out
in fake me. Tell me, girl, what would you think if you keep your eyes out just for me?
One or the other, you piece of shit. He's like,
I could buy you a string of pearls, take you out,
he's taller than me too.
wide world.
And
Keep your eyes
his
out.
mother's my mother's sister. Italian Irish. His mother is like so black and
I could give you
so my cousin is just really black.
Keep
The
your
two
eyes.
backs and this back. He's taller than me now. And I was slapping the shit out of him. You fucking I told him. I warned him. I said, "Oh, the fuck you want?"
I can play my guitar in bank
Like a
strap.
little bitch.
I could play it just about any old way.
It was after
Keep your eyes out.
This last summer.
Just
No, it doesn't matter.
I could become a political fanatic. Maybe I'd even vote Democratic. Go burn. Keep your eyes out. Just
My family, I was didn't matter if you're older or younger, was not afraid of silver. Doesn't mean I'm one. Was never afraid of the silver. I always thought it was fun, but we used to beat the shit out of me. No, because that's different. No, this kid, I grabbed him with a fist. He promised me.
I've been going with a girl. Said her name.
With silver.
Keeps her eyes out.
I don't know if you were at the beginning of it.
Rough.
By the way, I didn't mean to interrupt your phone call. I
thought you were
hated this
covering
song
your
so much. You were covering your ears.
Song of Yellow Curl.
My
So,
13, 14
I never played that song the
cousin
same way twice, and
who
that's
was
one of the
sneaking
things I love
beers,
about it.
and I was helping him do it at my sister's wedding, asking me about alcohol. This song does not fucking stop.
I wrote this song after doing a half marathon.
I had a friend who went to a whorehouse and he banged a lady of the night, but he didn't want to wear a condom. So 2 weeks later, he had a rash on his dick. So he goes to the aid station, and at the aid station, they do a little swab and they give him some penicillin, just for general precautions. A week later, rash is still there, penicillin didn't do shit. MPs are knocking on his door. You need to come with us. What did I do? What did I do? They bring in the aid station. Doc is like, you need to tell us what you did to get this rash. He's like, oh, I picked a girl up at a bar. Doc's like, no, you're lying to me. You had sex with a hooker. He's like, oh God, yeah, I did have sex with a hooker. Where'd you have sex with a hooker? Somewhere in Eaterstein, I don't remember the place, but somewhere in Eaterstein. Like, well, you have a fungus growing on your dick that only grows on dead people. Dead people fungus. Oh yeah, that's real. And I'm doing it with your song.
Nike's were the ones she chose. On the box it said, just do it. She did it. Now she's gone. A long time. I looked around. She was gone. When flesh comes off shore, where did that lady go? I guess I'll never know. My legs are way, way. Bought that lady some running shorts, purple ones, I'll report. The legs were long, about as long as the song. I looked around, all around. I looked around, she was gone. Wind's legs and lose our show. Where did that lady go? I guess I'll never know. My legs are way, So actually, I just saw a lot of people, more people sign up. So we're going to go to 3 songs, and so this will be my last one. I should do Corey's song, but yeah, I lost my nephew this weekend. Going down to Florida.
You can't just say, oh, this is the best part.
This is a song I wrote from when my sister passed.
It was. I don't know. Like, dude, alright, so I used to go to Park Noble like every Sunday. That was my thing. Park Noble. I only read Nephews. That was my, like, I wouldn't read, yeah. So I just read them. And I was like, this is great. And now, like, I haven't done it in like a year, like, 3 years actually. So I'm like hearing things like, what are you talking about?
This is the newest song I've written. I don't have words for it yet. That's kind of nice because then I won't forget them, you know.
After World War I, World 51 is where the white guys are check it out. By the way, he's a very old man, and he's got liver cancer. You might not know it, but he's got heart cancer.
The first and third Tuesdays of the month. Please come back. The baristas inside are working so hard to serve you. Make sure you take care of them. That keeps us going. And with that, I don't know who. I haven't checked the list. Who's first?
I came last, but no one took the number.
So Larry Frey is going to be my first guy. So